Hi everyone, back in the video today, guys, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell to be part of the slime squad, and hit the bell to be notified every time I make a video. Guys, I'm trying to make this video real quick because I think we're leaving at 6, but I don't know where we're going. So, guys, yeah, but it's a surprise. I think I don't know. I think we're going to the store, so I'll be able to buy more stuff like nut glue because I'm running short. So maybe I just 1 or 2 gallons of clear. Maybe 1 gallon of clear and 1 gallon of white. But anyway, guys, Elmer's and 1 gallon of guys, I'm gonna buy 1 gallon of clear glue, all of the white glue, and 1 gallon of Elmer's clear glue. Okay, guys, so you see, guys, I have my slimes here. I have here is the vanilla milkshake, which I love about it, and here is the strawberry milkshake, which you can check out my other video to find this beautiful, gorgeous, glossy, thick slime. So, guys, let's get on to our winners. We have I'm gonna make 2 more slimes, and then I'm gonna do the alphabetical slime challenge again. But this time I'm gonna be using weird stuff. I don't know, but it's a secret. Maybe not weird, not that much weird stuff, but I don't know. So let's get started. So I'm gonna need another container. If I can find another, yes. A little small, but that's okay. I'll just make let me see what about this. Let's see if this will be good. Yeah, that's a little too big, but around the edges is fine. So I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm doing this chocolate fondue. Let's get started. The chocolate fondue. Gonna need this glue. Where's my glue? Basically, I need my glue. That way. That way. So this is gonna be a lot more silkier. So I'm gonna need much more water. So I'm probably once I fill the bottle, probably I'm gonna stop adding my glue and add less of everything that I add of these because I don't want it to be the same texture. I mean, chocolate milkshake and chocolate fondue. So I'm making 3 slimes actually. I said 2. So this is gonna be chocolate milkshake. So if it's gonna be chocolate milkshake, then I'm gonna make the chocolate milkshake first instead of chocolate fondue. Because the chocolate fondue is supposed to be very darker, and I have to see if I have any a dark color of paint, or make it whenever I have it, or just not do chocolate fondue, or I'm not gonna make chocolate fondue. I don't know. Should I make chocolate fondue because I have the chips and everything? So here's the glue. Now I'm getting my stuff in. You know what I'll be doing. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how much I add. I'm going to just eyeball it. Okay, so I think that's good. I'm just making one more. Give me one. There we go. Look at this. You hear that, guys? ASMR. Stand up straight. And Circus. Ow! So let's add a little tiny bit more of this because if it's gonna be too, it's gonna turn into a light color of brown, and then it's gonna turn into a Then I'm gonna add more of that brown stuff that I added in this slime. Let's put the nice chocolate fondue. I'm gonna add a bread piece, and I'm gonna just mix it in the slime while it's white. So it kind of has like these little chocolate paint little pieces, and I just basically put them in the slime. Be good. So I'm gonna just hurriedly make this batch real quickly, and then we can get on. Because I'll give you the results. I don't have to do everything right now. I want to make this video as fast as possible because I'm not trying to make a lot of videos. I'm trying to do at least 4. Oh wow, that's not even a lot. This looks like less, very less. I don't know. Is it less? Maybe when I start mixing it. If not, I'll make another real off camera. Baby girl, you star. Wait till it gets very clumpy. Then I go in with my hands. I can feel it. Okay, but I go in my hands now. And if your stuff is like this, you're doing it good. Okay, here it is. Let's mix this and stuff. Here it is. Mixy. Mixy. That might be enough. This might only work for 1 container, so we gotta do more. Okay. So I think that's good. Yeah, this is good. Okay, it's good. Okay, this is good. I like it. Okay. Yeah. I'm not gonna add them. Add it on the camera. I'm gonna make this scented chocolate fudge. Or just chocolate. Maybe just chocolate. I mean chocolate fondue chocolate fudge. Ow! That hurt. Let's see more. This glue on my spatula. This might make it, or I need to have some lotion to it, probably. I don't know. I need to give me a big thing of lotion. Stop using Bath and Body lotion because it's very expensive. Okay. I'm gonna have a little bit. This is like going very low. No, I don't want that. It's very low. Just a little tiny bit. Okay, that's good. That's good, guys. That's good. I love it a lot. I love it a lot. I love it a lot. Guys, get all on the floor. That's just not gay. Guys, I'm trying to talk loud. I'm making a video. Guys, I just hope you guys can't hear. But I don't know. But this is very nasty, guys. I don't like this. I don't like this a lot. It's very hard. I'm making a video. Okay, guys, here it is. I need more of this. Oh my God, I need more of this. Okay, guys. Oh my God, why did I do that? Guys, I don't like doing this. If you guys gonna, slime is falling everywhere. let me ask you, you probably like, this girl is just, yeah. Okay, so guys, yeah, I just told my parents I'm making a video, and they seem like they didn't listen, so what I'm gonna do. It's still kind of hard, a little bit. Don't like hard slime, so, So they have a lot of this. Just add a little bit, because it's not gonna even show with this song. And I'm gonna show. Oh my god! Hopefully this does not turn pink. Okay, that's good. There we go. This is soft. Now look at this. See, like I said, guys, it's like a very thick. So okay, now it's thick. It kind of has a pink tint. You can kind of see. But here it is. So guys, now let's help make a white base of slime. White base of slime. And then we can get on with the for the chocolate fondue. I really don't want it to be, because I'm gonna just make one big thing of the chocolate fondue, and then I'll break it and cut it and turn it into pieces later, because now it's not the time. And I'm gonna do, guys, since I'm gonna just add as much that I think is possible. But no, that's good. Yeah, that's good. 21 the chocolate fondue to be big. Okay, so here is my glue. Circle it. Look at that. That turned to be a lot. Not think it's gonna be a lot. See, this is why I need to start. For the chocolate fondue, all we need is this. And baking powder. I want this to be thick like the other ones. I guess I'm gonna add everything that I add for the milkshakes, slimes. So just a little less of this. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's good, guys. Baby powder. Listen to the sound. Ooh, that's smoke. So when you whatever foam is, whatever you're using, probably like foaming so. I wonder will it work this time. I'm gonna add a little bit just to see will it work this time. If I add a little bit of baby powder, will it work this time? I don't know. Let's just see. Cause maybe it might make the same sound. Cause I don't want to just say this. Yeah, it makes the same sound, by the way. So whatever you're using, guys, like baby powder, make sure when you add the baby powder, it makes the slime melt, or the foaming ends will melt down. It gives it a nice thick. It gives it a nice thick texture. It really does, guys. It really does. Like, I'm not lying. Add less, and yeah, basically. Nice little stitch. Okay. Now let's get done with this slime. Let's do this, and then we're gonna do this challenge video. I'm sorry if you heard the background noises. I'm not really my fault. It's not really my fault, guys. Okay, there we go. I'm a little open, basically. Mix. Dang, it's already clumping up. Because I kind of think almost glue, when you're first making it, it kind of inflates. I want to try that, like add a little tiny bit of glue and see if it gets like probably like this big, like this tiny glue, and then like get about this big and see will it work. But it would go over it to like make it not like a 32 ounce, no. If you would make an inflated slime, but I'm not make those, but some slimes I don't like to make them in, but if I already turn, like, I don't mind. Like, if I make a slime and it gets inflated, that's good for you guys. That means when you give somebody your slime, they'll be like, how do you make more? It inflates. It really does. Oh, here it is. This is my. Go to stick my hand in this stuff here. I'm gonna stick my hand in there because I almost missed it. Yeah. Stick my hand in here, guys. I love slime. Doing what it takes to be. Okay, here it is. Now, let's mix this stuff. See, look. Look, you see what I'm saying? Look. And then, look, I go all around the bowl. All around the bowl. All around the bowl, guys. Literally, all around the bowl. Okay, all around. And all around this way. And all around that way. And all around. Like, all around. And all around. And all around this bowl. And all around. And all around. And all around that bowl. And here is gonna be I don't want to make a lot of the Neapolitan slimes because they kind of mix in. But I don't want to. If I make a Neapolitan slime, it has to be like somebody like coming over, or if I want to do like this is like less. So guys, now bye guys. Hope you like this video. So again, guys, here is the vanilla milkshake. We have strawberry milkshake. We have this is supposed to be the chocolate milkshake. And this is supposed to be the Neapolitan. So guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys.